Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving straight into how you, as a freelancer, can use Notion to manage your projects and tasks in 2025. First things first, you'll need to set up your workspace. To do this, click on the plus icon in the left sidebar and name your workspace. This could be your name or the name of your freelance business. The reason we do this is to create a dedicated space for your work that will help keep you organized and focused. Now that we've done that, let's create some pages. Click Add a Page within your workspace. You can have a page for each project you're working on. This helps us because it gives us individual spaces for each project where we can keep our notes, tasks, and ideas together and separate from other projects. Next up, let's add some blocks. Blocks are the building blocks of Notion. They can be anything from text to images to links or even other pages. Click the plus icon where you want to add your block, choose the type, and start typing. This is how you'll add content to your pages. You are doing this to create a dynamic, interactive space where you can keep track of all the moving parts of your projects. Once you're comfortable with blocks, you can start using templates. Click the Templates button in the block menu and choose a template that fits your needs. Templates provide pre-made structures that you can fill in with your own content, saving you time and effort. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. When you choose a template, Notion is essentially copying and pasting a pre-designed layout into your page. Finally, let's talk about the powerful search and filter features in Notion. Click the magnifying glass icon to search across all your pages, or use the filters within a page to narrow down your content. This helps us because as freelancers, we often have to juggle multiple projects and tasks, and these features make it easy to find what we're looking for quickly. And there you have it. You've just learned how to set up your workspace, create pages, add blocks, use templates, and search your content in Notion. With these tools, you're on your way to becoming a Notion pro and streamlining your freelance work. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, keep freelancing.